Welcome to Easy Steps Cooking. Today I will show how I prepare this cold pasta salad. Okay, so before we start, please remember thumbs up and subscribe to support the channel. And now let's start this recipe. I will put the pasta in the water, 300 grams of pasta in the water with salt. We will cook for about 8 minutes. It depends what kind of pasta you have. For this pasta I have 8 minutes of cooking, and when it's ready we're going to strain the pasta and we are going to add oil so the pasta does not stick, and let cool for about 1 or 2 hours. And when the pasta is cool, we can start with this salad. I will add 4 tablespoons of ketchup and 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Or also you can put the salsa golf or cocktail salsa, it's the same. We mix everything very good, and next I will add this sweet corn to the salad and we mix again. This is a very easy recipe and very tasty for these hot days of the summer. And now I'm going to cut the ham and the pineapple. 4 slices of pineapple and 200 grams of ham. We cut like this, and we will add to the salad. You can prepare this recipe very fast and very easy. So we add to the salad and we mix. Okay, and finally we have to add the feta cheese. This feta cheese we can buy already cut into cubes, or we can cut ourselves at home. We are going to mix very well, and we have it ready to serve on a plate and decorate. I will use the black olives and the walnuts. I will put some nuts on the top and the black olives on the side of the plate, like this, and it's ready, this cold pasta salad. Very easy and very tasty. So please remember, if you liked, thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for free to watch more video recipes. Thanks for watching and see you next video.